I'm Mandy Searin. I'm the Operations Manager for U.S. Custom Harvesters. I'm going to share some videos with you guys today about cotton stripping. We have a lot of members, especially those up north, that are curious about it, and I'm sure some of you. So I thought I would take a few and share them with you. My family has actually grown cotton here in south central Kansas since about '95, and we do a lot of custom cotton stripping work as well, and we're members of U.S. Custom Harvesters, so this is going to work out well. If you're curious about U.S. Custom Harvesters, we are an organization of grain and forage harvest crews across the United States that harvest the crops that feed the world. We also have members that are businesses that sell things that support harvest crews, businesses such as Crone, John Deere, Moss trailers, a lot of forage trailer companies, and header and combine trailer companies, among a lot of small businesses as well. So that's a little bit about U.S. Custom Harvesters. If you're interested in learning more or becoming a member, you can go to uschi.com and contact us from there. If you have any questions on any of these videos, feel free to reply on Twitter or comment on Facebook. So what we're going to be looking at today are John Deere CS690 balers, which is what we have. We used to have the strippers with the baskets that dumped into bull buggies, which then in turn dumped into the module builders and made cotton modules. Last year we changed to the balers, so that's done a little bit differently. So I am going to share some pictures of the module builders and bull buggies and basket strippers as well on here. So let's get started. Here's the CS690 John Deere cotton stripper. Okay, how it works, and here's my dad to back me up.
It comes into the cotton stripper header, strips the cotton off. The fan sucks it up the trunk work into the cleaner.
That's the trunk work, and here's the cleaner.
The cleaner cleans it and shoots it into the accumulator basket.
Okay, turn that basket right up there.
And that gets full, and then it tells you when it's baling. It turns the bale and bales that accumulator full. And then when the accumulator's empty, it stops. And it just keeps repeating that until the bale's like 94 inches. And then it tells you to go ahead and dump the bale.
Okay.
You push your button and dump the bale out.
Okay, and makes your bale right there.
And then the bale drops off.
Back folds down and the bale drops off.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes.
Right here, when that gets to 93 and a half, it'll make a bale. Almost ready to make a bale.
There are the rafts going. There are the bales.
This is what happens when a cotton bale doesn't wrap like it's supposed to. The reason that the tractor's there is, as you can tell, it's a pretty windy day as normal in Kansas, and all that cotton would blow across the country. So now we get to dig it out by hand. to Pricer Farms and Harvesting out of Cunningham, Kansas, 4D Trucking and Harvesting out of Childress, Texas, and Southern Kansas Cotton Growers Gin out of Anthony, Kansas, for all your help with this video.